What's up, friends? I'm the Covert Crow. Welcome back to the channel. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, for starters. I hope everyone's being safe and being well, and we're looking forward to an exciting 2022. Now, we are looking at December 28th right now. So, I just wanted to touch base with you, let you know, listen, everyone is well. Everyone is doing just fine. We had a great Christmas, and I hope you had a fantastic one yourselves. My buddy always teases me, right? We've grown up since like grade 3. He's like, you know what? Your channel's so boring. You need to, show a little bit more skin. I'm like, what the heck? This is YouTube. This ain't Pornhub. Are you crazy? Not that I know what Pornhub is all about. But anyway, listen, we want to get into what's coming for the new year. So we got a special surprise. I'm currently working on a new watch review, a little taste of what's coming. By the way, a wow moment, what's on wrist? The Omega Speedmaster Professional. It is Tuesday. What the? Can you see that? What am I, 15? I got a pimple. The show must go on. I look like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, but isn't it appropriate? The SEIKO Presage. Very nice. New design, vintage feel timepiece for anyone. Only at 41.5 millimeters. Spectacular. Reference SRPF45J1. Coming to you soon. But we'll get into that. This is a little bit of a teaser. Look forward to it in the new year. She's a beauty, and you're gonna like it. Try it on, see how she fits, see how she looks with a different look, with a bunch of different looks, things like that, and then get into the review. Drop it down for you guys, and then you'll have it. I'm the Covert Crow, just like the poster says. Hey, don't forget, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification because you want to be notified when the video comes out. Well, you know what I always say, there's always going to be another video, so stay tuned for the SEIKO Presage coming in 2022. But guess what? Now we got to get ready for New Year's. I'm the Covert Crow. See you soon. I'm out.